Hey guys, do you have a BMW E36 with super bunk seats? Well, I figured out the solution for not very much money, guys, and these look incredible. Check these out. Honestly, all these BMW E36s, the seats fall apart, right? There's lots of different companies out there that make seats. The problem is some aren't specific to each model, things like that. Well, I found a company that makes the most incredible seats for the most incredible price, guys. Look at the quality of the stitching. These are real leather. They fit so good onto the seat, guys. I am so impressed. I just put this on just today, actually. Look at that. Very impressed. So anyways, Lseat was where I got these. The nice thing about it is they give you this kind of thing they sent me, so I could pick out whatever color I wanted, whatever texture I wanted. And honestly, for the price, you can't beat it. I went to a local reupholstery store, guys, and I got quoted like thousands of dollars to get these covers made, like reproduced from the original ones. These things are so affordable. They come by mail. Everything was great. I am super happy with their service. I mean, this thing's great. So, as you know, I am redoing all the interior in this BMW. There it is. I use different paints. I have a whole entire playlist, guys, on how to redo all this. I repainted the steering wheel. I mean, everything is really coming together. I have videos on how to fix these things that always unglue, all that. So check out the playlist if you want your interior to look brand new like this one will. And back to these beautiful seat covers, guys. So there they are, beautifully stitched on the inside. Very good stitching, very good quality, very solid, guys. So you get the front set, right? And then the back set's a different separate thing. Check out their website. It honestly is incredible. I like how in the website they show you each year. They show you if it's a convertible, a 2-door, a 4-door. Very specific, because there's variations in between the seats. And these guys obviously know that because they make the best seats on the market as far as I'm concerned. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I just put that seat on and I'm just so impressed with it that I had to make this video. Plus, I searched everywhere for good seat covers, including on YouTube, and I couldn't find any videos that really showed how good these are, and they're great. I'm super happy. I highly recommend these. Thanks for watching. Till next time, everybody.